So kind of a recap of all the mechanics tools that Milwaukee's into. Number one, they have some sweet boxes. They're built really well. Welded construction, pegboard on the back, USB power strips, USB and 120 volt power strips in their boxes as well. Just an array of different sockets with their square design for so less roll off. So a great new box. We showed you this here a couple of months back, but just a great new service cart roll around box there. It works out really well. And then of course their array of impact wrenches and their cordless ratchets that have been a huge hit. So you got kind of V1 of those, and now you've got the M12 fuel and their ratchets that they've had out. And the cordless soldering iron is one of my favorites by far. Their new cutoff tool is pretty awesome as well, and the M12 series as well. Their LED lights, I don't know that there's anybody that's got more LEDs than Milwaukee does. Don't take that official, but I'm pretty sure that's the new 90-degree grinder. Die grinder that they have is phenomenal. So really cool setup. And then of course USB powered cordless speaker, wireless speaker, Bluetooth speaker, and their charger back there, as well as their Red Helix drill bits. So some great stuff. A couple more things. Another one of their LED lights, and then extended reach ratchets here. So extended reach ratchets, so they can, in those deep dark spaces where you're needing to reach, get those bolts out, those fasteners loose. Now they have the long neck design, the long reach ratchets in the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and in the 1/2 inch. You can also get these protective heads here from Milwaukee. They're cool, the rubber head, keep from marring paint, what have you. So really cool setups here. Again, the 90-degree die grinder. This thing's phenomenal. So whether you're taking off gaskets or your sanding areas, what have you, and then you have speeds here on the die grinder. So you're not going to find that in air. So really cool tool, when it being M12, nice and compact. So really excited to try that one out. All of this stuff is coming out on October 1, with the exception of the digital torque wrench. And the digital torque wrench is due out November 1, so a month later. That one's a really cool one too. We've already used that, so looking forward to getting it in the house. Looking at the only 1-inch cordless impact in the world. This is the M18 Fuel 1-inch impact, delivers over 1,800 foot-pounds of torque. They're already delivering these, so these are already on the shelves and available. It's the model 2867, and I'm telling you, we're talking about 1,800 foot-pounds of force. We're talking about legit power. You see the supplementary handle, this auxiliary handle here, and you need it when you're taking off bolts as big as this will take out. And also make sure you keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day.